Rocket.net is one of the newer players in the web hosting world, but before you commit, there are a few important things you should know. While it promises speed and high performance, how does it really stack up against other hosting options like SiteGround, Bluehost, or HostGator? Let's break it down. First thing, Rocket.net specializes in managed WordPress hosting, which means they handle everything for you. Updates, security, backups, you name it. If you're familiar with more traditional hosting, like Bluehost, this is a big step up in terms of convenience and reliability, as it focuses on a hands-off experience for users. So, if you want to avoid dealing with technical issues, this could be a great fit. Next thing, the performance. Rocket.net uses a custom-built infrastructure powered by Cloudflare's Enterprise CDN, which boosts your website's speed and security. This is a significant edge over some competitors like SiteGround, which relies on standard CDN options. Rocket.net is built to deliver fast page load times, especially for global audiences, which is crucial for SEO and user experience. The third thing to consider is their pricing. Compared to big names like Bluehost, Rocket.net's prices are a bit higher, but remember, it's a premium service. Their base plans are competitive for what they offer, but it's still more expensive than shared hosting plans from cheaper alternatives. If you're just starting out or have a tight budget, other hosts might be a better fit. The fourth thing is the ease of use. Rocket.net has a simple interface designed specifically for WordPress, so you don't need a tech background to get things up and running. However, compared to others like HostGator, the learning curve may be slightly steeper if you're looking for total customization and flexibility. Next, let's talk about customer support. Rocket.net is known for excellent support with a strong focus on WordPress issues. Their team is available 24/7 through live chat or email, which stands out against competitors like GoDaddy, who have received mixed reviews in this area. However, Rocket.net's support can be a bit slower at times due to their focus on quality rather than quantity. The sixth thing is the built-in security features. Rocket.net includes a number of security layers to protect your site, such as free SSL certificates, malware scanning, and firewall protection. While Bluehost also offers SSL and some security features, Rocket.net goes further by leveraging Cloudflare's enterprise security services, which is an added bonus. Next, Rocket.net's backup system is another selling point. Automatic backups are included, which gives you peace of mind if something goes wrong. Compared to competitors like SiteGround, who offer backups only on higher tier plans, Rocket.net includes this across all tiers, which could be a deciding factor for site owners worried about losing their data. The eighth thing is scalability. Rocket.net is great for small businesses and large enterprises alike, but if you're a beginner or run a small blog, the pricing structure may feel a bit heavy. For rapid growth or high traffic websites, Rocket.net is built to scale seamlessly, offering top-tier performance for businesses that plan to expand quickly. The ninth thing is the staging environment. Rocket.net offers an easy way to create a staging site to test changes before pushing them live, which is a key feature for developers and businesses that need to make sure updates don't break the site. This is something that can be a pain with other hosting services, but Rocket.net makes it simple. The 10th thing to consider is that they only offer managed WordPress hosting. If you're looking for hosting that supports multiple CMS options or custom setups, this might not be the right choice for you. Providers like SiteGround or Bluehost offer more flexibility with support for various content management systems. The 11th thing is performance metrics. Rocket.net delivers some of the best performance results across the board. Their custom infrastructure and the use of Cloudflare's CDN ensure high-speed loading times, especially when compared to slower shared hosting options like GoDaddy. If performance is a top priority, Rocket.net excels here. Finally, let's talk about the potential drawbacks. As mentioned, Rocket.net's pricing can be a barrier for some, especially if you're just starting out or don't need the premium features they offer. It's best suited for businesses and users looking for a hassle-free, high-performance solution for WordPress. So, is Rocket.net the best choice for everyone?